Hey everyone, it's Tuesday, December 5th. Today you are going to be looking for more note cards for your research. Remember, your research is due next Monday, so January 11th. Today you need to look for more note cards. Remember, with each note card, or with each source, if it is a website source, you need to fill out a crap test sheet to make sure that it's reliable. If you use a database, you don't have to worry about filling out a crap test sheet. Remember also that you should be citing your sources as you go so that you don't lose your sources and so that you are able to cite those correctly and not have to go back and find more note cards. You can use the MLA citation tool as you research. If you need those videos, you can find them on Schoology. Don't wait until the end to cite your sources. As you're researching, remember you should be looking for background information about the book. So a summary of the book, about the characters, about how it was reviewed. You can also look for information about the author for that section. You should also be looking for the controversy, so why it was banned, why did people want it removed, what was so controversial, and information about the impact. So how did it impact the community? How does it impact people if they aren't able to read this book, and so on. By the end of the day, you should have 8 note cards from at least 1 or 2 sources. So let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, have a great day.